Welcome to dinner tonight. We're having salmon steaks. One of the big reasons to live in Canada is to eat our wonderful salmon, served with lemon and salt. That's it. And we have rice. This is jasmine rice, cooked with water and a little bit of butter. We have broccoli with an underlining of cucumber and tomato, and it's just dressed with cider vinegar and olive oil. And we have this very funny shrimp chips from the east, from someplace in Asia. And there it is. Bon appetit. Let's taste the rice. Really good. Simple. Hot oil, made at home.